How you doing? Oh, okay.
Are you having a good time?
Yeah. A little crazy out here.
I got wires everywhere.
At the Woodward Dream Cruise Wednesday before the cruise. So that's, yeah, that's 7 years newer than what I was looking at. I almost bought a 37 LaSalle.
Yeah, I've never seen a camera that small.
Oh yeah, it's a little GoPro.
Is it?
Yep. Wow, this is something you don't see. Sweet. $30,822 miles on the clock. Power brakes, it says. I don't know, I think that's a speaker down there. Doesn't look like it has air conditioning. Wow. I'd love to have that. It's out of my price range. And I had an 86 Lincoln Town Car. I think this one's an 88 or an 89. I saw it drive by my house earlier. It looked like the front fender had been repainted. It was in the door. It was a slight mismatch, or maybe it was the rear door and quarter panel. Actually up by 16, or I don't know, it's Long Lake Road or something, maybe 17 or 18 mile. Gonna go do a lap, are you?
What's that?
You gonna go do a lap?
I think I will.
Yeah, totally. Beautiful car. Ooh, look at this. Believe me, I want this. Wow. This is what Tom Termel had in the black and white one. His first car back in 1976, I think. This has a 58 black and white 58 Edsel also that I really like. It was in one of my past videos, last year's Edsel. And I believe that's an unrestored car. Yeah, I'm way north of the epicenter, but it's still crazy. I like these 67 Chevys. I don't know. I just kind of, I like them. I like the instrument panel in them.
So it's McDonald's.
Well, me and Diane finished. Yeah, sweet. Oh, was it? Yeah, you want to bring this to the thing on Sunday? Oh, me and Diane did.
I don't know if the dash shows up or not.
They made a pretty decent car. My dad had a tool and die development shop, and he did a lot of AMC panels. I walked in his shop. I was 16 years old, and I saw a couple of guys try out.
And then my daughter says 20 years later.
And I asked anybody what they were. I knew they were AMC, but
But I was doing like it.
well, they're doing some sort of a.
that is it for the Wednesday before the Dream Cruise cruising video. It's 32 miles, the whole circuit, Woodward circuit for the Dream Cruise. So there's 32 miles of cars, bumper to bumper. So yeah, the Chevy enjoyed the ride. And the parking lot I pulled into where that 59 Chevy convertible originally pulled into. I went back around after that other parking lot you saw me cut through and went in there. The convertible had left, but I knew a few guys that were parked there, so that's why I came back. But I wanted to go up through Pontiac first and kind of see what it was up like that way. And then when I came back through, I, as you see in the turnarounds, turned around, went back and pulled in there, and then I pulled back out, went back south. Took me about 2.5 hours to do one lap in the car. And that included my stop, which was about a half an hour. So about 2 hours in the car to do 132 mile lap. So yeah, we still got tonight, which is Thursday, and Friday it's just chaos. I'll probably take the bike on Friday and maybe Saturday to go out. I'll take this out Saturday morning and do a lap and put a video up. But after the morning lap, it just gets too chaotic, and if I go back out, I'll take the motorcycle. But it's I'm hoping it clears up. I'm meeting up with a bunch of the car club guys here shortly at 5:30, and a bunch of us gonna have dinner. We reserve a section of a restaurant. It's about 30 of us, I guess. But as you can see, it's kind of raining, and we just had a shower move through, so hopefully, I'm hoping it's going on 3:30, and I'm hoping it dries up by 5:30. That's when we're meeting up, so I can take this. Otherwise we'll end up taking the Escape, which isn't very classic, is it? But anyway, I'll put up another video probably Friday or Saturday maybe of the Dream Cruise. We'll see how I'm doing, and we'll go from there. But that is it. Well, my camera just stopped there, and so I just restarted it. But anyway, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up icon there. That will help the video get more views. If you like my channel, that 348 engine icon that pops up there will subscribe you. And thank you for watching my video.